Welcome back, fellow scrubs. You probably hear the thunder rolling, the phone's ringing off the cook. I don't know what the hell's going on today. Hopefully we'll make it through the stream without the power going out, the internet going out, the place burning down. Something's gonna go wrong.
My knee hurts.
Amber says her knee hurts. So, anyway, welcome. This is Pocket Fighter EX Monday, and I'm Mark D. Wiz, and this is GameDevScrubs, and this game is not supported or endorsed or affiliated with Capcom or SNK. It's just a community-based game by fans for fans, etc., etc. We're gonna try to get something done here in the middle of the apocalypse. So, so what did we do last time? We did the Shinryuken got an overhaul. Oh, and my chat window died. Of course it did. I think I'm back. I think we're good. Can see chat again. Hey, yeah, alright, chat's working. Oh, that didn't quite connect. Need to get a little closer. Ah! Oh, out of practice. Come on! There we go. So we solved the problem of the Shinryuken not working exactly right, where sometimes they would get knocked away instead of pulled in and all that stuff, and then at the end they get blown away instead. So even for the light one, you can see it a little easier. They get blown away with a big flash at the end. Did I add more target combos? Not necessarily. For Ken, he's got the crazy kicks, which is kind of like a special cancel thingy. I know I labeled it as a target combo in the move list, but it wasn't. You still have to do a motion for it, like a full. It goes half circle light kick, half circle heavy kick, half circle both kicks. But I did label it as a target combo because they are made to go into each other. So the light into the double or the light and the heavy will chain together. Other than that, Ken doesn't really have any target combos necessarily in the traditional sense. It's because he has this that he doesn't really have much else. Because this is such a powerful tool. And it's also his Power Max ability is to make not only make them safe when you cancel into the overhead, but they also hit. So this, if I hold the button, you can see you can block that, the overhead attempt. But in Power Max, he can't block it. And in fact, he can't even, it's safe on block, where here, it is not safe on block, so you gotta be careful. But that's his special ability. He gets fire on those particular kicks. And of course, additional damage and so on and so forth. This actually pushes back a little farther too on hit when on fire. Boom! Get that little screen shake. It helps it make it feel a little more impactful. So yeah, we added the additional couple hits at the end, the one that pushes them away. It just looks a little better, functions better that way. Yeah, there's surprisingly, I guess, I hate to say that about it, but there's surprisingly a lot of depth that's come out of the system. There's certainly a bit more complex than I thought it was going to be, but that's also a good thing too. Oh, let's try it. Oh, I messed it up. Let's try it this way. Oh. In order to get a heavy Shoryuken after, you have to do a delayed jump cancel into Tatsu. Here. My thumb's worn out today. I'm tired today, so this is a little... The wear and tear is getting to me. I can't do it anymore. Ah! There we go. Yeah, do something like that. Cool. Now you won't get exactly that damage if you try to do this at home, because we did add extra hits, but we haven't scaled back the damage to compensate for those extra hits. So the super actually does a little bit more than it's supposed to right now, but we will fix that. That's one of the things we have to finish up. So I think we did two things. We hard-coded the hitboxes in the final hits of the move to be the heavy version, so we have to undo that. If someone does that to you, you're forfeiting. Hey, no rage quits. I'm gonna track those rage quits when we get the online. I'm gonna put you in the rage quit jail. I don't know, is that how Killer Instinct does it, right? They somehow they track who disconnected from the match, and then they start matching them only up with other people who disconnect from matches. They get put in the rage quit jail until they stop doing it, and then they can get out. It'd be pretty funny. I think probably what they did to detect that is the server would, or the client that got disconnected on would attempt to communicate with the matchmaking server, and the matchmaking server would wait to see both signals. And if it only got one signal, you know that's the person who closed the game or pulled the plug on their Ethernet cord, because it won't communicate with the server even though it's been disconnected. So the person who stayed would communicate with the matchmaking server, and then it would log that and be like, oh, the other guy's disconnected. I guess that would be the simplest way to accomplish that. I'm just taking a guess on that, but I think that would work. Then you could log those results, and then, you know, whenever that person comes back online who disconnected, you put them in the rage quit jail until they get out. I don't know, make them do 10 matches without rage quitting in a row, and then maybe they can come back. Is that how it works? I don't know. That'd be funny though. So yeah, we're gonna try to do that. Thankfully, the thunderstorm seems to have perhaps passed by. It's definitely not as loud as it was. I don't know if you guys heard any of the rumbles. Of course, is the dog still there? Nope. The thunderstorm must be pretty much over, because the dog has stopped cowering under my desk. She's moved on. She's probably sitting in the bed, or she's more scared she can be under the bed. But typically she sits here under my feet at the desk. But anyway, so I guess we'll get started with editing these animations. There's another glitch I want to fix too, and no one's mentioned it or brought it up, but watch the explosions when you hit Terry there. They're all in the same spot. They're actually supposed to be slightly randomized so that they appear not in the same area every time. And that broke somewhere along the way. We'll fix that too if we can quick. But let's start. S for Shin, S-H-I-N, Shinryuken. So the peak, this is what we edited last time. This is the end of the move, where it's got the extra hit there. And then it's done, and then it falls. And so what we want to do here in particular is to remove this animation event where it calls the heavy version's hitbox. We want to remove that. I guess we have to think about a standardized damage count too. So before I go ahead and copy those hitboxes to the light version, let's take a look. No, what's that? Let's take a look at Shin, S-H-I-N, Shinryuken, H, here. I think the falling one we've already replaced too, so we probably don't need that anymore. So we've got, what's this, final hit? Is this it? Yeah, this is final hit. It does 25, so it does 2 hits. I believe, yeah, it does 2 hits at 25 damage. We'll turn that down to 20, make it 40 at the end. And now we have to subtract 40 from the overall damage of the attack. Now the full version, did I make a note of this? I should have made a note. I remember writing it down last stream. I don't know if I actually saved that. So let's take a look. Here's my notes folder, my design docs folder. So K for Ken. Ken? We do my name here, it'd be helpful. No Ken. S for Shinryuken. Shin. I did not write it down. Okay, well, there's an easy way to find this. We just pull up the old build. And, let's see, we will want to extract the monthly preview. That was definitely before these changes. So let's extract it here. It's always good to have your old builds. You can go back to them and see what the heck was going on. We'll mute it because we don't need it blaring up against the music that's already playing. Oh yeah, let's pause this so it doesn't go nuts in the meantime. Too many loading screens. I wanted to cut that down, but there's also the message there that's like, hey, this is just a demo. Please give us feedback. So I guess when the 1.0 release happens, that it won't have that, so. Blue Terry, whatever, don't matter. Yu-Gi-Oh! World. This might be the incomplete version of that, actually. It's an older build. Hack info. Okay, 250, that's what I thought it was going to be. So this next one's probably going to be 450. Yeah, okay. 250 and 450. Fair enough. So, if we're doing the heavy, right? Let's see, there are how many hits? Ugh. Alright, hold on. You know what? We're gonna write this down. We're gonna keep it this time. Shinryuken damage. So, light hits damage total, heavy hits damage total. Okay, so we know that this is 450. This is 250. I think this is 17 hits, but we'll see. Yes, 17 hits. And light is 9 hits? Let's see if I'm right. Yep. Okay. Just want to make sure, though. I don't want to make a mistake. Okay. We'll minimize that for now. So, there's gonna be 8 hits after the first and 16 hits after this, so it goes 4 times, right? 4 times 4, 16, 2 times 4. Yeah, so 2x4, 4x4. And then now we've added 2 additional hits. So our new one has 19 hits. Okay, so let's see. Our damage is 40 at the end. What's our damage? What's our first hit damage here? The first hit from the ground is the odd number there. That's why you get 17 and 9. You get the 8 hits, but you get the 9th as the first hit on the ground. It's a special hit. That does 50. Okay. At least for the heavy one, it does 50. So 400 spin, 50 start. Okay. And then each hit is worth 25. That's what I thought. 20. Oh. 25 each. Let's see. You said what? It was 16 hits, 25 each. I'm expecting the white to be similar. Oh wow, yeah, first hit is also 50, so 50 to start, which makes this 200. Yeah, that makes sense, actually. So 8 hits, 25 each then, must be. Yeah. Okay, that actually makes it a little easier to deal with. It actually only does more damage because it spins more, which makes sense. So, just to help my eyes here. Okay, and so we've added an end of 40. We might just want to make it back to 50. 2x25. Just to make the math a little easier on us. So let's go back to heavy. And the final hit. I'm going to change that back to 25 each. Okay. So we've got 50 now. We need to cut. We need to cut 50 out of here. Alright, so if we go here, instead of working it out like a normal human being, I'm just going to reduce the value till we get what we want. Because of course, that's the same way to do it. 420, so 22. Why do math when you can guess and check? Hey, 452, we're getting close. 21? 21, I won. That doesn't add up. 436. Okay, so probably the easier way to do this is 22, because what that, 52, right? Oh, and then we'll just take 1 off the final hit. Okay, yeah, 452. There we go. And this would be 24 each. Hey, you are on the Scrubs channel. That's how we do things here. There, 450. We did math. We added up to 450. Congratulations to us. Alright. And I think if we do that on the other one, we should be in pretty good shape. So we did, what, 22? Might have to reduce it slightly here, but we'll see how this works. Okay, now we've got a copy. Tag data should be the same though, right? I wonder if there's any difference here. 42.1, 46, 42.2. Well, that's interesting. Actually, is a difference here. Well, to be honest, they probably both should be 1 for launch distance, because they're not really supposed to be pushing them out of the way. So that's fine. I don't necessarily have the ability to copy one particular hit. I can copy all of them though. Kind of wondering if we compare between the heavy and the light on this hit, if there's any actual difference here. If we go up to the launch, 2624, yeah, that's all the same. Default launch animation back. Because if all the hits are the same, then we can just literally copy all the hits. That makes sense. I'm wondering if the screen shake might be a little different between them. Nope, they look the same. Let's collapse this. Back to the heavy. Yeah, no, it looks like they're the same. Sure, okay. Well, then we will... Man, do we want to copy? We just want to copy everything then. I think we could just copy the entire thing. Or you could even take it a step further and say that you could use the same hitboxes for both, so that at that point now you have changed it where it will not carry over. But if you do need to change something, it won't work. You'd have to separate them again. Well, let's fuck it. Let's copy it. What could go wrong? Nothing good has ever happened after someone said that. Paste move, I guess. Yeah, just fucking paste the whole thing. Boom. Oop, get the names back. Force it to refresh there. Alright. What could possibly go wrong? 274. Okay, so we do have to do a little bit of changes, so it's a good thing we kept them separate. That's alright. We do 20 instead. 258. 19. 250. How about that? There we go. We got our 250. Got our 450. Sweet deal. Yo! Boom! I'm liking it. Oh. Ah! There we go. Back to normal. Didn't take as long as I thought it would, actually. Boom. Alright, that's cool. That's good. Alright, let's save this before it explodes on us and we don't have it anymore. Save. Okay, I didn't think it was going to be that quick to fix that up. We do have to test, make sure that the landing hitboxes and all that look alright, since we did do a copy. But I don't expect anything strange. It looks alright there. Yeah, Yori win. You know better, Tim. Yori will get done when GGPO gets done. Because if I start him now, and then continue to do GGPO stuff, there's a chance that a lot of the character data might have to be regenerated. And so if I put them in now, just basically doing it again when GGPO is done potentially. So I want to avoid wasting that amount of time. Slopes when. Hey, when we get the platforming engine, and I'd like to test it for like, put it in here and hook up the fighter characters to it, to like actual floors and stuff. Or we could do like a bonus stage with it. I think would be pretty neat. Or like we were talking about before, it'd be like really cool to have kind of like a adventure mode kind of thing, or a story mode. I mean, that's a lot of work, but I would at least like to experiment with it. Even if just to get the experience of combining the two systems. But it would have to be a deterministic version of that to put in here, because otherwise it wouldn't work with any sort of online modes or whatever. So, and that would suck. So there's that. Alright, so yeah, I really didn't expect that to not take forever, so I mean, that's good. Now I just gotta figure out what to do next. So we did have the problem with the... well, oh, that's funny. The controls have been being accepted here in the background. It looks like I selected Ryu and changed the stage. Because I wasn't looking at that. Well, we don't need that anymore. So the hit sparks should be randomized in their positions, but they're not. So we do want to... Can I collapse all? What's our command palette? What's that do? Collapse all. No, not folders. Hide? No. I wanted to just collapse all the functions and stuff. That makes it easier to find stuff. That's fine. Apply attack. Yeah, here we go. We'll just search for it. Probably circle fighting arena. Dude, that'd be weird. It'd be really weird. Hey, we discussed before about wait, remove. How do we want to remove that? Remove? Oh, I think these are offloaded to the other system now. So I kind of wonder if these don't even... Oh, these would have to be recalculated. It's okay that they're getting calculated twice, but to be efficient, it would be good to remove this from that. So that makes sense. Well, I'll address that later. But we're concerned about the hit sparks, so I do put these region blocks here so that I can just close these and take a look at the overall picture to be like, oh, determine if you blocked it, determine if it's armored, apply the damage, the hit stop. Like, it's really helpful to see things in the overview like that. Okay, armored blocks, clean hit. Now, I'm going to go out on a limb and say that the hit spark is somewhere in the middle here. My screen shake. Dizzy. Fighting system current. No, where the heck is that now? Oh, create hit spark, yeah. I was gonna say, I think I reduced it down to one line, so that would make sense why it doesn't have a region, because it's only one line, why bother? Okay. Let me kind of put this all on one screen here so we can sort of see it. Impact point. Okay, that's a category, and an incoming hit. It's probably going to have the information it wants. Create hit spark settings. What is in that? Force position variance. Alright, that's what we're looking for. Find all references. Is it anywhere? No, it is here. Force position variance. Oh. Force position variance, impact point, this. And then position variance. Okay, let's go back. Okay, it does pass position variance. And then the last one is the impact point. So, okay. What's the alternative here? Okay, it does it anyway, thankfully. Alright, that's good. What's this one? Okay, that's just iterating through multiple. Okay. Go definition. Oh, it's down here. It's at the bottom. Okay, get randomized vector with the position variance. Okay, so my initial question would be then, is the data set in the file to make this happen? Because it looks at face value, just at face value, it looks like everything is in place to make this happen. So I'm going to take a look then. Oh, that's Shoyoropa. Shinryuken. Is there under hit spark settings to use position variance? Oh, here. Okay, it's an asset now. Force position variance. It is. It appears to not be taking place. But it is getting... Oh, position variance is here too. Oh well, whatever. Oh, we gotta go. Let's close that. Too many damn folders open. Okay, here's where we were. Okay, well, we have sort of a dilemma in a sense here. Where I don't know if the settings are actually going through because there's two different types now. Hit spark setting preset. Hit spark setting preset. That's the pulled asset. Well, that's spawn preset. Okay, that's different. Let's hop back up one level here. Hit spark settings preset. Yes. It looks like that's being passed. As position variance is inside of the hit spark, and that is saying that this here. Oh, I see. Has position variance means that position variance is higher than that. Also, since we're here, I'm gonna say it's a min of 0. Oh, min parentheses 0, so you can't get a negative. It wouldn't matter anyway. It would result in the same kind of thing, but it would make this fail potentially. The math would be the same, it would just be in reverse. But this would give you a false. So has position variance is true if it's greater than 0. Right, and that is true here because you can see it. Oh, once it's done recompiling, because I saved those changes. You can see here. It's got a 1.2. That is a position variance. So that should return true, and we're using custom here. You can force a position variance. I honestly think this one is the one that is not being used currently. Let's see. Okay, it's only being used here if you're doing a default hit spark, meaning an automatic one where it goes to the system and it says, hey, for a heavy punch, what do I need to display? And then these ones are the custom ones, and this one overrides it. There's probably a bad way to word this because it says force position variance. That's really only doing the default. This is also a poor way to do this. When I did use custom and use default, there should probably be an enumerator. Because if I do both of these, then what happens? Does it do default or custom? Well, we can check the code and see what's going on. That's not a problem. But to the user, if I hand this off to someone else and they're looking at it, they're like, why are there two of them? Oh, you know why? Actually, no. I had the big brain in advance. It's so you can do both. You can allow the default and you can allow the custom. You can have both. So you can add something to the default. That's right. I outsmarted myself from the future past. How about that? Alright, we're gonna put a little explanation here. Default hit spark settings and 4D programming, yeah. Custom hit spark settings. There, now we have at least a divide here. Then it'll be a little visually. I must have wrote this in a hurry. Now we got a little bit of visual thing here to do. So I had default off actually, and we don't want to do that. We actually don't care about that because that's the default ones. What I would do here is actually change the name of this. I don't believe there's many moves that actually use this right now. So I'm going to rename this, and when I do rename it, it will result in everything else being reset back to false. So I should say enable, right? Oh shit. No, I gotta undo all of that. Yeah, undo in 2 files. Hold on. Rename symbol. Oh, you know what? That's position variance. Why don't we just do what we did in the other one? Boop. And then it's automatic. So if you type something in here, then it will do it. And if it doesn't, then it doesn't. Alright. Yeah. Here we are. Yeah. Nice little way to automate it. Then you don't have to worry about the checkbox. If it's 0, you can't do anything with it. Or it won't do it. And if it's greater than 0, and I have to put the min on here. Min of 0. There, then we don't have to worry about it. It's automatically calculated for us. Isn't that nice? And even for this move, we didn't care about position variance on the default because default wasn't even active, so. Alright, so we cleaned up the code, but that's not going to solve the problem yet. At least I'm pretty sure it's not going to. Yeah, they're still in the same spot. So the next thing we need to do is to test. It's going to go in here. We want to start debugging, and we want a breakpoint on, well, I suppose this. Create hit spark. And when we hit them, uh-oh, it already, what's going on? Did it already find something? Oh, it was still trying to compile or something. I think. Hold on. Stop it. Start debug. Okay, it started. We're good. Okay, try it again. So theoretically, once we do the hit here, it should pick it up. So hit spark settings, fire big Shinryuken. Use customs true, as we saw. Use default false. Yeah, we got this. We're definitely in the right file. So has position variance. It won't be able to tell us because it's going to be looking at this. Oh. It's having a hard time picking it up here. Position variance is 1.2. Okay. Well, let's look inside to see what... Oh, how come it doesn't like it? Unknown identifier. Oh no, it's freaking out. Oh, here we go. We're down here. We're gonna step through. Step over. This is true. Position variance is 1.2. So our impact point right now, 4.1, 4.4. So when we... This is true, so it's going to go down here. I was all freaking out now. Oh, what happened? Step over, step into. Yeah, it hits that. What happened? Oh, it's going through here too. Oh, that's right. So the magnitude is 0.3. So get a random vector. Yeah. Wait. Get randomized vector 2. Yeah, okay. That makes sense. I think. Yeah, because you're normalizing it here, the vector, and then you're adding the magnitude to it. Multiplying, rather. Okay, that's fine. It goes here. It's going through all the steps here. And then it's out, comes back here, multiplies them together, and we go back. Now, the impact point, yeah, 4.0, 4.8. Okay. Well, it looks like it should be working. We spawn it. What's the... It's got a parent. Okay, it does not have a position though. Now we're assuming that it's... Oh, what happened? Continue. It is a success. So we should get down... What the hell? Come on. Should get down here. Again, the impact point is randomized. So result game object transform position. The impact point is that. And then enable the spawn. Okay, well, by that standard, it looks like it should be working. Oh, you heard him in the background. So what's going on then? Is it just... Is it such a small variance that it just doesn't register? I mean, 1.2 should be 12 pixels, but it does not seem to be happening. We're gonna put 100 in. If we don't see some variance now, we know it's not working. No, it's not working. Okay, well that's interesting. We're seeing it being applied. What I'd like to know here, let's do 2 breakpoints here and do it once more. Bonk. So the position before 4.3, 0.8, we're adding to it, or we're setting it to 3.3, 1.9. So if we do that, yeah, 3.3 and 1.9. What does enable spawn object do? Set active, set link controller. Yeah, none of this should interfere with that. Now this is the part that's taken longer than I thought it would, where the other thing took a lot shorter than I thought it would. It all evens out in the end, right? Yeah, this one's kind of strange because it is spawning it. And we are setting it. It just doesn't care. Okay. It's definitely getting here because we got the breakpoints triggering. Okay, we're gonna do another test here. New vector 3000. If this code is working, we will see all of the hit sparks be in the center of the screen, or the center of the stage, I should say. Not necessarily the screen, but the stage. They should not be where Ken is. And that's true, see? They spawn on the ground. So what the heck's happening? It is being added to. Min the max. Killing me, game. It's probably something stupid and I'm just not realizing it here. Okay, we're gonna do this. Debug log. Impact point equals impact point to string. Final impact point I'll put this onto the second line here. It'll be a little easier to read. Final impact point to string. Is this a vector 2? Oh, this is a vector 2. I'm sorry. That's a vector 2. In fact, oh, this is going to be final impact point. In fact, what I should actually be doing here... No, it's fine. It's fine. I was going to say we should take the Z from this and apply it to the final impact point and then put it back in, but we're kind of overwriting this in its entirety, so we really don't want to give that any credence there. Needs more strawberry letter? Well, you want me to get the friggin' I got dinged for that. I got dinged for that request. I'll have you know. You got the little thing pop up. Copyright claim. Yeah. No more strawberry letter. You gotta be careful now. You get banned out of nowhere. Alright, let's see. Transform, position, final impact. Alright, let's see where this takes us. See what's going on. And just to make sure, I'm gonna save all. Oh, there's my little DFX. Oh, he's gone. Okay. Don't disrespect the platform. Yeah, for real. Oh, I wasn't even paying attention. Okay, so I didn't see any variants. Yeah, look at that now. 5-point impact point 5.4, final impact point 5.4, 8.5. 5.4, 8.5. 5.4. 5.4. Yeah, it's not adding the variance to it. It is, but it isn't at the same time. Okay, let's cut this up even further. And we will add on top of this you don't really need these two strings, but sometimes I just put them anyway. Okay, let's see now. Oh, it's not going to compile. Do this. There. Okay, there we go. Ha! Ha! I see what you did there. Okay, I see what you did there. Okay, that's clever. I didn't even catch that. That is clever, though. I see what you did there, chat. Oh, turn off pack info. Don't need it. Okay. Survey says... Oh, crap. There's a lot of fucking messages here. Let me clear it. Do it again. Yep. Yeah, we're getting a 0-0 out of it. Okay, so that is the problem. What the hell were we seeing before then? We saw it actually giving something. Okay, one more thing to add. Random variance. Whoop. The variable is 1.2, but the random vector is not correct. So something broke in here. Well, let's see. We do a random range. It's really oh, shoot. Come on. Float, right? Yeah. I did say it was the last line. Well, we do need one more. I need to know what that random range is giving me. That's how you break this crap down, man. Ain't pretty. Okay, it is giving us a random number. Okay. So we know that this is correct. It's this one that's not correct. So this method takes in, so we get a randomized vector. And we times it by the magnitude. And this is a new vector to a random of 0 to 1. Oh, they're ints. Are they ints? That's probably why it thinks they're integers. So it's giving us probably 0, 0. It's inclusive, right? Okay, that's why. Min's inclusive and max is exclusive. So essentially what that means is that it was only giving us zeros because they were considered integers. So a range, an integer range between 0 and 1 is going to be 0 or 1. But since the max value is exclusive, it will never include that. Or, oh no, it is with the float. Is it exclusive with the int then? Let's see. Yes, it's exclusive with the integer version. Yeah, it needs less branches. Yeah, I'll work on that later. Not priority, unfortunately. There's a couple places we could probably end up doing that. Yeah, so now that they're floats, this should work. And the floats are inclusive, so we don't have any problems there. Okay. I'm pretty confident in this fix. So I'm going to go ahead and put all these things back in line. Comment that out. Okay, I'm pretty confident this is going to work. Enjoy floating point errors. Yeah, I know, really. It's just a cosmetic portion, though, so that's the thing you can relax about things that are just visual. If you don't care about the way that they happen, then don't worry about that. It looked like they were variant. Yeah, it does look like it. Yeah, they're popping around a little bit. So if we slow it down, you can see. Boom. There's one there. Yeah, so that one's up. That one's to the right. Yeah, that one's in the middle. Yeah, there we go. Boom, 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 boom. That's what we like to see. Boom! Yeah, baby, I like it. Let's see. Yep, and the light version is also right. Yeah, it's good. Well, look at that. We fixed 2 things and we haven't run out of time yet. Boom! Yeah, it looks good. It looks good now. Yeah, let's save. Save. Slopes now. Yeah. So if we did add a default though, just to show what that means for it. You see the additional spark in there? You'll see it when I do side or step by step. See how it's got the actual normal hit spark and it's got the fire along with it. So you could even turn the customs off now too. We'll do this with a 1.2 like the other one had. And you'll see how different it looks. See, that's just with the normal hit sparks. That's the normal when it happens on a super. We'll just revert that. We're back to fire. Fire only. Without the default. Yeah. Looks good. Ah. Ah, I screwed it up. Yeah. Ugh. Look at that. That's some fun shit. Whole bunch of stuff you can do. Nope, screwed that up. There we go. Yo! Raw! I love that flash at the end. That was definitely what it needed. Because now it feels like a real finisher, man. Oh. Ah. The final fight music's a little low, so I actually turned that up a little bit. If the music's too loud, let me know. The final fight portion of this playlist is kind of soft. I don't have any real-time normalization going on there, unfortunately. No, that's not what I want. Oh, it's too far. Oh, huh. Can't use that then. Oh, sorry. Yeah. No. I guess don't start and fire. Or get like really close. I might be mistiming it, but. Oh, that's yeah. I guess I would hit because I didn't do the hit before it, but that's what I want to do. I wanted to show you. I'm surprised that No, it does work. I guess because of the super jump kind of gets you in farther. Wait, so does normal? Well, that does work. But this one doesn't. Ah. There must be some pushback variance between the two moves. You gotta get the crouching heavy. Shit. There, like that, except not in the fucking Tatsu. No run cancel. Oh, I was gonna say if it hits, I'll take it, but I missed a Shoryu there. Pretty sure it would have hit with that Shoryu. Oh, okay. Ah, I was gonna say I'll take it. I think I can still reach him with the Hadouken, but oh, okay, okay, okay. I had enough of the 360 controller. It's starting to hurt my thumb anyway. Come here, big boy. Ah. You know what time it is. Yes? No? Not plug it in. In the wrong hole. One of my USB ports is broken. Oh, not getting anything. Did I plug the right cord in? Yeah, that's the right cord. Alright, hold on. I don't know. I hope it's not broken. Well, let's try the USB port. I did the Ethernet port. Did not want to go. So let's try the USB. Come on. There we are. Uh-oh. Did I break my stick? Don't tell me I broke my stick. It's lit up. Why don't I have any? Is it the game? Is the game just locked up? I didn't hear the little doo-doo-doo. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, my stick's broken. Alright, hold on. Let me try a different USB hub. Just in case. Well, that ain't good. Well, that ain't good. It's not. Oh, Jesus. What the hell happened to it? That ain't good. What the hell happened? All the wires look like they're in. It lights up. I ain't got nothing. Oh no. Don't tell me it fucking blew. Alright, hold on. Let me try one thing. What the fuck? This is not good. This is not good. Abandon ship. Abandon hope. Oh, we got nothing. Oh my god, I don't know. Man, I'm assuming that it's not Windows. I'm assuming something blew on it. Well, this is broken. I'm gonna be really mad. Be really fucking mad. Let's see. Sure. Yeah. Making sure I plug that shit back in right. Not happy. What happened? I hope it's not that mod I installed. Because I'll be very upset if that's what it is. I had enough fucking problems with it already. Yeah, so Stick is dead apparently. I'm going to give her one more chance. No. We're not. Oh boy. Okay, let's see. Right here, game controllers. No, it's not. It's not even detecting anything, man. Fuck, what happened? It worked last week. Okay, well that's not good. What if I hold start and do it and put it in debug mode? It does. I didn't hear anything. It doesn't even do that. Oh, it's completely fucked. Shit. What happened? Oh my god. I don't have the money to fix this now. Come on, man. I just bought some audio shit for the stream. I don't have money to fix this. If those boards fried, dude, that's a Brook Ultimate Fight board and the Brook Retro and that hardware remapper. That's expensive to replace. That is not going to be cheap. Oh, fuck. Come on. Alright, I'm going to have to work on that later. Well, now that I'm thoroughly depressed and upset, oh, maybe it's not just that. Hold on, the Xbox controller ain't picking up either. Maybe it's Windows. Maybe Windows is just going bonkers. Oh yeah, look at that. Xbox controller ain't working either. Oh wait, I'm doing it wireless. Let me plug it in. Okay, okay. There might be hope here. It might be Windows. Maybe the stick's fine. Pull that out. Oh, thank God. I'd rather all of them break than just... Damn it. Hold on. Yeah, no, I think it's all broke. I don't think any of them are working. I'll be much happier if it's just a problem of rebooting. Oh wait, no. Hold on. No, I got it back now. I got it back now. So what? Alright, hold on. Does it register in Windows? Doesn't register here, but it might not, because that's an Xbox controller. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna try plugging the stick back in. Because that was a little weird. That like none of them were working. Let's see if this works. No, still nothing. Alright, yeah, I don't know. Guess I'll just leave it unplugged for now. Xbox is still working. Alright, well now that I'm thoroughly depressed and mad and trying to not flip out here. Man, it's killing me. Alright, we don't got too much more time left, so trying to think what the heck we can do now. I solved all the I didn't think I'd get through 2 problems in one night. What's going on? Unusually, things going the right way. Oh, I'm sure there's 100 other friggin' issues to fix. But we did get the position variance one, which is cool. Those ones shouldn't have it. I'm trying to think if there's any other move that actually uses position variance. Oh, you know what? There is. I believe the Shinko Hadoken has position variance on the hits. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. Thought it did. It was hard to really tell. So it doesn't, it actually doesn't look like it. No, it doesn't. I don't know if it really needs it. I'm trying to think of what ones would have position variance. Doesn't make sense for this one. This one's got to be on point. That one doesn't need it, because it goes back and forth anyway, and Ryu's actually changing his position while doing that move. That one could use it, because it's 2 fire hits. So hit sparks. Yeah, he doesn't even have a hit sparks folder. So he doesn't, excuse me, he does not use any special stuff here. So this is gonna be Hadoken EX. Fire, big hit, fire. Fire small. Position variance. 1 maybe. Yeah, well, let's do 1. Just see how it looks. If it's too wild, then. And then settings. So to create a hit spark in this system, I split it up. So Hadoken EX Sparks. So I guess, how did I name it here? Fire Big should right here. Oh, I just named them the same thing. Okay, that makes sense. Oh. Can I undo to go back? Yeah. What software is this? Unity, yeah. It's a good old Unity editor. Hit Spark, FX. Right, it's one. Okay, so here we want to not use the default, we want to use the custom. One custom. So Fire Big Ryu. And then we have to go to Hitboxes, go to Hadouken EX, PJ for projectile. And then on the hit spark. Stun, hit stop. Oh, did I go by it? Hit spark here. Apparently there's already one. Oh, apparently I already made one for Fire Hadouken. Well, we'll switch it to reuse. Oh, counter hit sparks. Same. We don't do anything with that special. Don't need to. Okay. Alright, hold on. I gotta maximize this, otherwise the FPS is dying. I think it's position variancing? Kinda hard to tell though. Oh yeah, it is. Absolutely is. Just enough though. It's subtle enough where you almost don't see it. But it definitely changes the texture of it when you really look at it. Yeah. Yeah, and then on block it doesn't explode, so that's it. Actually makes me wonder, on block there is no variance, it looks like. I mean, I guess that's alright. Oh, yeah, Fio's in this stage. She had one sprite. There was a Metal Slug minigame in the Neo Geo Pocket Color Match of the Millennium. And I think that was like the victory screen. It would show either Fio or Marco. So I just put her in the background. I colored her a little extra and just put her in the background there. And then the other stage, so there's two versions of this stage. This is the sunset version, but the daytime version has something different. That's Marco. So he's sitting in the back there. I think I had to shrink their sprites a little because they're slightly in the background. I think I gave him like an 80% reduction and cleaned up. If I animated her, would you consider putting in the animation? Yes, it is the Shantae monkey. Wow, you got good eyes. Good eyes, Bullet Will. Yeah, we edited it to remove the tiara, but yeah, that's the Shantae monkey. Yeah, sure. If you want to attempt to animate it, go ahead and give it a shot, and then post it in the Discord, and I'll take a look at it. If you have Discord. The link for that's down below, by the way. And actually, here. Scrubbot's still hanging around. There you go. Scrubbot's got you the. I just put it in the GameDevScrubs channel. That makes sure I don't lose it, and I'll actually see it. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. Gotcha. Yeah, just post it in the development channel, and then I'll see it if it's in there. Oh, he rolled through me. He got through and just in time to not get grabbed. So I get for not paying attention. Oop. Oh, I guess there's nothing else I can do after that. Could have done a Shoryu. Look, if I can do it on the fucking... I can do it on the right side. Oh. Screwing it up. Yeah, I guess if you're far enough away. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm dying here. My thumbs ain't working. There we go. Alright, you can do something like that. Oh, too close. Yo! Oh, I wanted to do jump back and do something, but that didn't work out. There's all sorts of crazy shit you can do. Have fun. Man, I can't wait till the online gets in because I want to play it so bad with everybody. And I'll actually be able to do it because my internet's so crappy, Parsec won't work at all. It's like a half-second or higher input delay, completely unplayable. Oh, and that's it, time's up. So. I remember the other thing I was thinking about doing. The new version of Unity came out, and I was thinking about upgrading the project to that version. And that's always fun because something might break. So, but it's not enough time to do it now. If something breaks, it's going to be a whole thing to do. But I guess we'll wrap it up. We got 2 things fixed. We finished up the Shinryuken and we fixed the other thing. We're doing good today. We're doing really good. It's been a great Monday. I mean, not the rest of the Monday was terrible, but this part of the Monday was great. So that's good. So yeah, I guess we'll kind of just end it here and wrap up. We're gonna be back. Oh my God, July's almost over. It's still last Monday in July next week. Oh my God. All right. Well, I'm gonna push out. Oh, since I fixed the Shinryuken, I'm gonna push out the patron build, the weekly patron build. Probably tomorrow. Just want to tighten up a couple things. I might try to do the upgrade and push it out tomorrow. And then we'll be back next Monday, the 27th at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then the 26th, which is the Sunday before that, we will be... Yeah, we gotta finish Wario Land. So we played Wario Land yesterday, the 19th. And that was pretty good. The original Game Boy, the first Wario Land. And then, so we're going to finish that up on the 26th. Hopefully, we're like halfway through, so we should be able to get it. So, yeah, thanks. Yeah, we did good work tonight. We did good work tonight. Things are going our way now. So, yeah, I'll be back Monday. And, so I've got, speaking of Patron, I've got the Patron stuff to read off. So we do have Patreon. You can get builds, preview builds of this game, the unstable builds, I guess you want to call them. So I do weekly and monthly, and some code samples and all that other stuff. So the people getting those are Zombie Killer, Miguel Tabasco, AJ, Angel, Wakened Emperor, Bryce Nagalingam, Corporal Chungus, Jose Martinez, Mike Cruz, Uncle Roy, Rui Luis, Slugs Gears of War, Taryn Williams, Anthony Muniz, D-Money 107, and LD Walker. So thank you guys extra special much. You help things keep going. You're the reason why I got to order some equipment to help kind of clean up the stream setup here. And now I got no money to fix the stick. Oh man. Oh, I'm gonna die if that thing's actually toast. I'm gonna flip out. I just got it working with like the Sega Saturn. I just got everything good with it. Alright, well, before I get too depressed here, alright, we'll cut it there. So, thank you guys for hanging out with me. Discord's down below, YouTube's down below, LBRY's down below, all that good stuff. So, I'll see you guys later, and scrub out.